Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check BIOS mode BIOS or UEFI in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Open a terminal window. Type the following command that appears on the screen and hit enter. If it returns UEFI, then you are using UEFI. If it returns BIOS, then you are using legacy BIOS. Method 2. From the Grub2 screen, and while you are in the Grub menu, press ESC or C to enter the Grub shell. Type the following command that appears on the screen and hit enter. If it returns PC, then you are in legacy BIOS mode. If it returns EFI, then you are in UEFI mode. Method 3. Open the terminal. Type the following command: sudo dmidecode-tbios and hit enter. This command will display information about the BIOS. If UEFI is used, it will show UEFI is supported in the output. Please note that you might need to install the dmidecode package if it's not already installed on your system. You can do this using your distribution's package manager. For example, apt install dmidecode on Debian-based systems. Remember, you need to have administrative privileges to install packages on your system. If you're not logged in as the root user, you'll need to use sudo before each command. For example, sudo apt install dmidecode on Debian-based systems. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.